Today I'm making an open-faced Caesar chicken sandwich. First I'm going to make the roasted garlic butter, so I have 10 cloves of garlic. I'm going to cut the end off each garlic clove and then peel off the skin. Next I have a baking sheet with a piece of tinfoil that I add the garlic cloves to, and then I'm going to drizzle some olive oil and sprinkle some salt and then close up the aluminum foil to make a little pouch for the garlic, and then bake this at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. Once the roasted garlic was done and cooled for a little bit, I added it into a bowl and I mashed it up to make a paste. Next, add 3 tablespoons of butter and mix it up until it's combined. Next, I'm going to add this garlic Texas toast onto a lined baking sheet. Next, spread a little bit of the roasted garlic butter on each piece of Texas toast and then bake this at 425 for 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to make the filling, so in a bowl I have 2 cups of cooked chopped chicken. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Next, I'm going to add the whole bottle of this creamy Caesar dressing with roasted garlic. Then mix that up until everything is combined. After the 5 minutes, I took the Texas toast out. Now I'm going to add a spoonful of the Caesar chicken filling on each piece of Texas toast. Then I'm going to sprinkle some shredded mozzarella cheese on top and then put this back in the oven at 425 for 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Here's an up close look of the chicken Caesar open-faced sandwich.